The Zelonpro electric pressure washer ZP100 is a robust cleaning tool, delivering up to 5,500 pounds per square inch of water pressure, making it highly efficient for tackling tough cleaning jobs around the home. Equipped with an innovative remote-controlled pressure washer gun, it allows users to easily adjust water pressure on the go, providing excellent convenience and efficiency during cleaning tasks. The automatic hose rewind feature is a standout, simplifying the storage process and preventing hose tangling, which ultimately extends the hose's lifespan. This model includes 5 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon, offering versatility for various cleaning needs, from gentle rinsing to more intensive cleaning tasks. The wall-mounted design of the Zelonpro ZP100 saves space and keeps the unit secure and stable during use, an excellent choice for those with limited storage options. Constructed with durability in mind, this pressure washer combines a powerful motor and user-friendly features, making it a reliable choice for maintaining cleanliness in outdoor areas.